Rajat Sethi, will the BJP at some level start wondering, and listen carefully to what I'm saying because this will become a dominant theme over the next several days and weeks, did they make a mistake in not ditching Nitish Kumar? If they've ditched Nitish Kumar, if JDU, RJD had fought this election separately, BJP fighting by itself, because there's no anti-incumbency against the Prime Minister or against the BJP. The anti-incumbency is very squarely against Nitish Kumar.
Well, in my opinion, had this election been a referendum on Nitish Kumar, he would have lost. The NDA would have lost. But please understand that this election, which is fought by candidates also, Nitish was the face of one part of the alliance. There are other very important segments of the alliance. I don't foresee the NDA alliance faring so badly as Nitish would independently do. That's point number one. Point number two, though BJP carries that aspiration, the state unit, carries the aspiration to really dominate the politics of Bihar, but caste-wise, they haven't been able to break those class ceilings that are there. They haven't moved past what caste they have been representing in Bihar. So this is where, till they don't become a pan-caste, pan-Bihar party...
That's an interesting point. You're making an interesting point because, Rahul, the point, I said this earlier, this is the one North Indian state where the BJP has never been the number one party. So, if you look at 2005, the BJP had 10.9% of the vote. So, till 15 years ago, then they came up over to 24.1%. Now, you see, but they've never crossed 30. Once you cross 30, then you can be party number one like you were in UP and I get a majority on their own.
But they tried it in 2015.
But it's a very but I think you're making a very interesting point. Could, given these numbers that we are getting of Nitish's popularity, which is clearly low, Sandeep Shastri, taking off from what Rahul said, could the BJP actually have said just before the election, we are ditching Nitish Kumar, we will put up a face? Do you think that was possible?
Yeah.
I think it would have been too late in the day to do it. Having backed the government till the election, I think just before the election to take a stand would have been very difficult. I don't think having let down Nitish Kumar at that stage would have benefited them. I think the Gathbandhan had got its momentum and got its act together. So I think as Rahul said, from our CSDS poll to your poll, the difference that you see in the support for Tejasvi as a chief ministerial candidate, I would say is a direct byproduct of the campaign, of how this campaign panned out. Nitish remains more or less where he is, whereas Tejasvi has gone up, and I think that's a clear impact.
Urmila Thakur joins us from the RJD, Afzal Abbas from the Janata Dal United, Rohan Gupta from the Congress is still with us. Urmila Thakur, to you first. 44% popularity for Tejasvi Yadav. He's 31 years old. Till a few months ago, people in Bihar and outside were mocking him, saying, Lalu wali baat nahi hai is ladke mein. Now he's at 44% vote share, an 11% lead over Nitish Kumar. This young man, could his time have come? That's the one question we'll know the answer to. But what do you make of these huge popularity figures?
Afzal Abbas, आपको हमारी आवाज आ रही है? ये दिखा रहे हैं कि नीतीश कुमार हमारे पोल के अनुसार 35%, तेजस्वी 44% अपनी पॉपुलैरिटी में, लोकप्रियता में 9% नीतीश जी के आगे गए हैं।
देखिए, जाहिर सी बात है, आपने सर्वे किया, देखा है, उसको मैं गलत कर सकता हूँ, सही आपका आकलन है, लेकिन जिस तरह से उन्होंने 10 लाख का शगुफा छोड़ा था, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि उसका भी असर आया होगा कि बच्चे नौजवानों में है कि हमारे साथ काम करें, 10 लाख नौकरी देंगे, तो इसका एक इम्पैक्ट बड़ा होगा, मैं समझता हूँ। लेकिन सबके बावजूद भी 35% आप दिखा रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार जी को, मैं समझता हूँ कि 35% मेरे हिसाब से कम है। बल्कि आपका सर्वे उसको मैं गलत नहीं कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, तेजस्वी यूथ है, लेकिन 15 साल का इतिहास नीतीश कुमार जी का है।
The Congress is actually just getting lucky here, Rohan Gupta. With very little effort of your own, you made some effort. We will have to give you that. But because of this huge popularity that started backing Tejasvi Yadav, your man now, your chief ministerial candidate, is the #1 choice for 44% of our respondents.
See, Rahul, if you see Bihar elections, because I have been there since beginning, there are three critical factors who have changed, like what you had the initial survey and what is showing it now. Number one, the way BJP created a self-goal by promoting Chirag Paswan, that created confusion in minds of voters of JDU and BJP, whether Mr. Nitish Kumar is acceptable to BJP or not. There was a big question mark. And your poll only showed that 45 or 55% of the voter of BJP, they never trusted Mr. Nitish Kumar. And after this self-goal, that gap increased day by day. And what happened during that period, Tejasvi Yadavji and Congress Party, the whole alliance, we came out as a sync, as a single product. There were no differences between Mahagathbandhan. The core issue was Berozgari. Before this pandemic, Tejasvi ji started the tour of Bihar, and this was the core issue. And let me tell you, the traditional so-called M plus Y, which is Muslim and Yadav, it got converted into Mazdoor and youth, Mahila and youth. So people across the board, there is no caste. This is the first election in Bihar. They have not voted on caste, they have voted on issues.